Hello, good day everyone. I finalized the ToDon't's list and I also added a suggestions coming from AI. So as you can see here, when you hover here, you can see that get new AI suggestions. So these are some AI generated suggestions that you can use to get started when you are adding something on ToDon't. And then I also updated the ToDon't code and I added a Docker setup.md. So the Docker setup.md will help the developer to set up the Docker and also few of the debugging. Like for example, inside the troubleshooting database connection issues, there are some things that can be updated or added, and then when the front end cannot connect to back end, then it needs to configure something like this. So when you try to run, you can see that this is the container that has been created when you run the Docker. So you can just Docker compose app build. So once you build the Docker container, you will have the following. It is using Docker Desktop Linux, and everything is already configured inside, such as Python, the PHP, and MySQL. So for the Python, it's already copying and installing the requirements.txt in order for it to set up everything. And for the Next.js application, it's running the backend file continuously like this. So it's creating the backend, the network, the MySQL data, as well as the front end. And for this one, I will be checking on if there are anything that I can improve. But as it is right now, it's already working properly, and it can be configured and checked on by other developers now to help them get started with Docker. I think this is all for my end. Thank you.